I have told you about the shortest distance of skew lines. What do you mean by skew lines? Both the lines are not on the same plane, different plane, they don't intersect. Okay, now the shortest distance between two skew lines or non-intersecting lines, the shortest distance vector between L1 and L2. L1 and L2, the two lines, R vector is A1 plus lambda B1 and R vector is A2 plus lambda B2. So shortest distance A1, A2, this is the vector form that last lecture we have done it. B1, B1 cross B1 vector cross B2 vector into A2 minus A1 divided by mod of B1 into B1 vector into B2 vector. Okay, which is the vector form. Now we will be doing the Cartesian form where the points are 2 points on 2 lines are x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. So here Cartesian form is here a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap. Okay, then b2 is equal to a2 I cap, b2 j cap and c2 k cap, and a1 vector and a2 vector, the position vector is x1, y1, z1, a2 is x2, y2, z2 respectively. Then x minus two lines are x minus x1 divided by a1, y minus y1 divided by b1, z equal to z minus z1 equal to z minus z1 is equal to divided by C1. And the second line is that, second on line B, that is second line, x minus x2 divided by a2, y minus y2 divided by b2, and z minus z2 divided by c2. Okay, so now I do b1 cross b2. I can directly write I cap j cap and k cap, and a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. They are the two there. Then I multiply. What do I get? b1 c2, b2 c1 I cap, j c1 a2 minus a2 c1. Okay, and k is that k cap is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, this is, we have found out b1 cross b2. Now, mod of b1 cross b2, mod of b1 cross b2 will be the square root of this whole square plus this whole square plus this whole square. That is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square plus a2 b1 minus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. So I have got b1 cross b2 whole mod. Now a2 minus a1 will be a2 minus a1, two lines passing through x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. So it is x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z1 minus z2 k cap. Okay. Shortest distance between two lines is that x2 minus x1 into b1 c2 minus c1 b2 plus y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, this is also z2, z2 minus z1 into y2 minus y1 c1 a2 minus a1 c2, z2 minus z1 is into a1 b2 minus b2 a1 divided by the mod. How do this is the square root of this whole square plus this whole square plus this whole square. That means the quantities are like this. This is B2 C1 C1. Okay. Condition of two lines, the condition of two intersecting lines. When two lines are intersecting, then distance between two lines are 0. Two lines are intersecting, then distance between two lines are 0. 0 somewhere it is 0. So it is, that is B1 cross vector B1 cross vector B2 into A2 cross A1 minus A2. So this is the vector form is equal to 0. The Cartesian form, when two lines are intersecting, if and only if x2 minus x1, here it is y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, okay, is equal to 0. 0 means shortest distance between they are 0 when two lines are intersecting. Okay, somewhere it is 0. These are two sums I have given to you. You try. Otherwise, I will be telling you next lecture. And this I'll tell you. Find the shortest distance. The distance between lines x minus x1. This is given in Cartesian form. X minus 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to x plus 2 divided by 1, and x minus 3 divided by minus 2, and x minus 1, this is the x minus 1 divided by 1, y minus 1 divided y plus 1 divided by 2, and z plus 1 divided by minus 2. This is the first term. This is given in a Cartesian form, and now this is given in the vector form. That is, the vector equation of two straight lines are r1 is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap plus lambda I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and R2 is 2 I cap minus j cap minus k cap plus mu 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, so these are the two sums. You try. If you cannot, you write in your write in the comment section. I will solve your sums. Okay, so now all of you, this is easy, and use the formulas only. So, and one thing, it is a request, you subscribe for me, so I get better energy to teach you. Okay.